Stirring the coffee with chopsticks using the vortex method, the only true way to optimize the taste of your coffee. At the molecular level, good morning. Welcome to the Daybreak Show. I am the Sultan. We'll get started, but first, coffee. You know, you don't condemn a jigsaw because it's not good at buttering bread, right? That's not the nature or the purpose of a jigsaw, right? I judge things based upon how well they do what they are created to do. And so should you. What are you created to do as a man? What are you created to do as a woman? What is your purpose in life? And are you succeeding at it? Are you doing well with your purpose? For many of us, that's a humbling question, right? For some people, you're just plugging along and thinking, yeah, I'm doing okay. But I ask you to reassess again. What is your purpose and how well are you doing your purpose?